Peace be upon you and good hi. Welcome to the new lesson for the phonetics, English phonetics. The first sound is E, as you hear. He, E, E, E. For
Renew,
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 renew. Okay, this is the short E, not E, E, E. As you see, my how to pronounce. I use my mouth and lips to pronounce A, 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 not E, A. Okay? So, signal. I give you a signal for this A. What does mean signal? The visible letter in the word. Okay? So, it's an example. First one is words contain letter A. Word contains words contain letter A. Example. First one, pick. Second one, L. Third one, trick. Next one, children. Mineral water. Mineral. Instinct. Difficult. Next one, criticism. Criticism. Win. Ship. Bit. Sit. Him. Twin. Miss. Sing. Give. King. Witch. River. Winter. Listen. Prison. Picnic. Biscuit. Physics. It. Pin. Pill. Chip. Still. Rich. Live. Kiss. Ring. Bell. Wish. Sister. Middle. Little. Mirror. The second one, last one, sorry. Killer. Killer. This is possible E, the first possibility of the sound A, which is A. The second possibility is A. Okay? A. Let's go. Begin. Become. Behave. Decide. Renew. Return. Remind. This is all possibility, the second possibility, which is letter A. The next possibility is Y. Y. Okay, the letter Y, which is pronounced sound A. Okay, let's go. Gym. System. symbol. Typical, physics, pyramid. All these example for the letter Y. The next one and last one is U I. U I. Okay. Let's give example. Belt, killed, biscuit, guitar. Now, after giving example and the possibility letter for the sound E, let's go to examples. First one is phrase. Example of the phrase. Drink milk. Little beans. Biggest building. This guitar. And last one, different symbol. Different symbol. This is a phrase example for the sound E. Now, let's move to the last one. Let's move to the last one. And which is a sentence example. The first one, it is difficult to live here. Second one, Jim will visit the kids for the few minutes. Can you list all symbols in physics? My eldest sister often listens to the guitar music. Now, give you another chart which is giving differences when you pronounce the word. We have the ship and sheep. Okay, this is short vowel, and this is a second vowel. Okay, you have to make differences when you pronounce ship, shape, and sheep. Okay. Now we'll go sit and seat. Sit, sit, and seat. It, and eat. Okay, you have to long of I, and this is a short I. Bin, bean, bin, bean. Fill, feel. Chip, cheap. Still, steal. Rich, reach. Live, leave. I hope you enjoy my lesson, the first lesson for the sound E, and I hope you encourage us by follow us in our channel and click on like. We see you soon, and peace be upon you.